Hello everyone, we meet again in the C++ tutorial with me, Defarjaldi. Today we will discuss about how to create, login and sign up a program in the C++ using CodeLite. Before this, you can find me in Utopian here and estimate here. We will to explain about a component, what a component using in the login and the sign up program. First, we have a goto statement and then switch case statement. Unless we have if else condition. First, we explain about goto statement. Goto statement is performs to jump in the program. This jump used to create a program doesn't get stuck in infinite looping and go to curtain label to be processed. Goto statement used for jump to the label address and then content inside label will be executed. I will show my conception here about output display from this program. Here is my output display, my conception about output display here. I make a GL chat here. There is like a social length here. I show here GL chat and then have a sign up here and sign in with number. Sign up with number 1 and otherwise. And then here example, when I choose number 1 and show to the sign up option here, 8 username, email, password, and retype the password here. Sign up, finish here, and success here of the sign up. And then show the login here. Login here. You must add or input username or email and then a password. After complete or valid login and show the welcome GL chat. That's my output display. Next we go to my procedure. This from my program, a procedural program here. We have a switch case here. We use a switch case for to choose an option between sign up here. In the case when we have a sign up, I forgot to add the case 2 here, and a sign in the case 2, sign up and a sign in process. In the case, each case have the if and else. There is a condition for correct the username and password in sign up and login process. Is the if else if here. We have the goto statement here. Goto statement to label address here. What is in a label? Example, there is a sign up label with name sign up. Have the content about sign up from. So it will be used to the sign in. And now we begin to make a program. We begin to make a program, login, and the sign up program using CodeLite. First, open CodeLite here. Cross platform. function C++. After display like this, to make a project here, I right click in my source code here, choose the new project here, click in new project and choose in the console option here, choose the simple executable or G++. The next, name of the project name here, then is trchat here, trchat, and finish. And then click main cpp, rename it to chat. Okay, to show like this, block all code here and then remove, because we will to add new code, sort new code here. First, include a header file here, your string, like usual, for the code and scene and NDL. Include the string here, then add namespace std for the code function. So your string is same for the library function of the your string here, and open within main here. We can start within main here, open bracket and close it. Add a return, let's return first to make it easy. And then add the type here, string, add variables. They are name 1, email, password. You can write pass here, password, repass here, and then back. And it add integer, that's a type here, is for the option. Then add the first label here to the menu, the content or trchat here. We make like my output display, my conception about my output display here. The first we make a trchat, sign up and sign in here. Add a new space here, NDL. add to input the option here. And import to the option. There is the op variable for the option when you choose sign up or sign in. Option about between sign up or sign in. And then we go to the switch case statement. Add the op variable here, and can start with the bracket here. Then add the case 1. That is for the sign up. Go to the label for the sign up. There is sign up here. Don't forget to add semicolon in the end of the label, and then add the break here. Then add the case 2 here for the sign in, and make a sign in label. Then add a break. Then add default, and make the output of the default. That is the type you choose. If you choose unfileable option, go to menu. After add the switch case here about the option, then create a label of the sign up. First we make it for the sign up here. Add colon, and colon. Add for sign up form. Paste sign up in below. Add the username. First add the username. And import to the name variable here. Add email. Sorry. Import to the email here. Add the password. To pass type password. Go to the password here. In the sign up process, sign a label, add a condition. If you retype password here, the password or valid or invalid password, repass equal with password, and then show success. And to new space and go to sign in process, and in the else condition add code if wrong, if write a wrong password in the right type password not equal with the password, show the wrong password here. Please check your password. Add two null space here, 3 null space here, new space here, and if wrong, go to sign up page. Turn on. Then we make sign in. Contents in the sign in are show the login here, then show to add username. You can add username or email. In this view and import to the named one. Forget to add semicolon in the end, and then add the password. Hit the pass. And add a condition to make a suitable password, like password in the sign up. To make a suitable password, first we make the if condition is password in the sign up must be equal like a password in the login equal suitable, must be equal, and name, username or email, surname or is we add the or operator here, or email must be equal like name here, like the email or name in the sign up process have to equal then start to add the content in the condition. If condition show the login success here. If the password in login suitable or equal like the username, or you fill the username, you input username and password, you add the valid username or password in sign in, like in the sign up password or email or username. We have the system close here, so make system close clear. We add the go to welcome here to the chat. We add after this, we add this label after this, after sign in label, and then add the else if. Thus not equal, like pass in the sign and the sign up, then add the name, not equal, like the name in the sign up, or name in the sign in, not equal, email in the sign up. Open the bracket, add the message invalid surname or email and password or password. Please check your server. If you are not registered here, there is a sign now. Put sign up option. There is number 1 on the menu to sign up. Just input 1, and then go to menu, then add the last condition is else, and show login failed. As if the you add empty of the login here, and go to sign. Then at the last label there is the welcome here, and I will design perfectly here about to welcome about what chat chat display, design perfectly here, design perfectly here to make it beauty, make it interesting display, interesting display. And add the last sentence here of the design here. There is resolved by me. add the question as a sentence here. Question. And let's add the exit question here. The last program. You want back to menu? Yes or no? And add the if else condition here. When you choose and when you input y or n in the output display, and we'll make a condition for break variable here. If input y and show close or exit. Or go back to menu. Go back to menu. And go to menu. And add the else if condition here. If you input n in the output display, and will be show cancel to back the menu. And go to welcome again. Welcome label here. Let's hit the else condition. To welcome. It is finished to create code for the login and sign up program. And now we will to build project. You can build with go to the build in the toolbar and move to the build project, or press the function 7 in the your keyboard. warning function here, to warning here. And remove this. And try to rebuild again. And show the 0 errors and 0. And now we can run this project. Run. We go. There is output display like my conception here. Like my conception here. This is my output display like my conception here. This program show like my conception. First, show the GR chat here. Sign up. Show the option sign up and sign in here. Example, we add to sign in first. Test. We try to sign in and show the login here. Add username. Test my name, password, and show the invalid username. Password. Please check your username, email, and password. If you are not registered user, sign up now. Input 1 on menus to sign up. Input 1. Now we go to sign up and show the sign up here. Add your username, Diva Rizaldi or Diva. Add your email. Simple to add my email. And add password here. We type password here and success. To sign up is success. And then show the login, and add the username here. Simple, add my username here, Diva, and add the password Diva, and show the welcome to the archer like this. And we want, if you want to back to menu, press Y or N. If you input N here and show the welcome label again here. If you want to back and go back to menu, and we try to the second try here to sign in here with your email. We register with diva@gmail.com here and add the password here, and I think it's success. We sign in or login with the email and username, with the valid email and username. Now we try to we try to sign up with the one password or one password here. Try to sign up here and add username and email, valid username and email. Add one password here with one retype password. Test to 8 1 until 4, and show the one password, and please check your password and go to the sign up label here and return to the sign up label here. we try to the second try here, and password in here, and success. Now we try to add one username here. It's the result here, here. It's the valid password, and show the login file. We show the login form. We try to add one password here and show the invalid username or password, and show it make like you not a registered user here. Okay, this is my program. If you like this tutorial, subscribe this channel and follow my Utopian here and my estimate here. Thank you and see you next time.